We are now at the undisclosed location of that 44 unit subdivision. Don't know if I've mentioned it before. It is going to be called Emerson Place. I think there's going to be a total of 3 streets. But last time I showed you, there was some progress made since then. As you can see over here, he actually has the mantle and the fireplace in and completed. A lot of the finish work was done. There's going to be some nice recessed lighting that's already put in. Don't know if the electricity is hooked up, and I don't want to find out the hard way. He's got the flooring pretty much ready to go, the hardwood floor. Kitchen area is pretty much like it was before, so no major significant changes there. This is the entryway to the basement. More hardwood floor here. He does have the chair rails in here. And as you can see, this is, turning out quite nice. And then again, this is the entryway to the garage where there's going to be a half bath in here. And then this is the garage entryway and a coat room there. So I'm going to take a look upstairs, and if there's any progress that was made, I'll take you guys on up and show you around. So as you can see, I don't think the last time we were here, the front stairway was done, but nice hardwood floors, and the hand railing is in. And then if you go around the corner here, this is the full bath. It's going to have a dual vanity sink as usual. The bathtub is in. A lot of the doors are in. I don't know if this, closet door is in as well. And then down the hall, off to the left, this is the entryway to get, or the loft area to go up towards the unfinished attic. On the right here, we do have the washer and dryer is going to be in there. So that's the washing room, laundry room. Again, one of the 3 bedrooms. Pretty much the same thing on the other side, asymmetrical. Closet is over there, and then I'll take you down the hall to the master suite. So right before we go into the master suite, I just wanted to show you real quick in here. This is the 3rd bedroom. So I guess there's actually 4 bedrooms, right? 1, 2, 3. Yeah, so this is actually a 4 bedroom. I thought it was 3 bedroom for some reason. But now let me go down and show you the master suite. So those are the 3 bedrooms we saw. This is going to be the master bedroom. Again, dual vanity sink, stand-up shower. Oh yeah, sorry, not bedroom, bathroom. Stand-up shower. Got the closet over here. And the commode will be going there next to the dual vanity sink. Nice, large, spacious walk-in closet on the left. And then coming into the end here is the nice open master bedroom suite. So as you can see, a little bit more work has been done. Some finish work, trim work, painting. A lot of electric work is done. And that's about it for now. So until next time, hope all is well, and we'll see you soon.